Greetings smartwatch fans! Ito, meron tayong bagong smartwatch from ITEL. Ang ITEL Storm Ultra Smartwatch, also known as the ISWO23 smartwatch. So, ito yung pinakabagong smartwatch after ng O15. Kung naalala nyo, ni-review rin natin dito sa Smartwatch Pinoy TV ang O15 smartwatch. And ito nga yung pinaka-latest for 2025. Ang ITEL Storm Ultra Smartwatch. At sa video na ito, ating alamin ang design, ang specifications, kasama na rin ang iba't ibang menus na napapaloob sa Storm Ultra Smartwatch. Kung may bala kayong bilhin ang Storm Ultra Smartwatch at gusto nyo munang malaman kung ano nga ba yung mga loaded na features sa Storm Ultra Smartwatch, panoorin nyo yung video na ito. And of course, kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, subscribe na sa ating nag-iisang Smartwatch Pinoy TV. Okay, so start na tayo. Tingnan natin ang design, ang specs at ang features ng ITEL Storm Ultra Smartwatch. So, meron tayong details dito. So, tested scratch-proof crystal screen, yung tempered glass niyan. Okay, 2.02 high-definition display, 2 times clearer compared sa O15. IP68 waterproof rating. So, ito yung packaging, the same sa O15. Meron din tayo ditong features. So, gumagamit siya ng iPulse Watch app. Available to sa Android at iOS. Metal frame. Premium texture. So, metal yung body frame compared sa ating O15 na plastic. Okay? So, 100 plus sports functions. So, maraming sports functions na loaded dito. So, O15 yata 20. 15 or 20 lang. And may Bluetooth calling din. So, the same sa O15. Ito naman yung specifications. ISWO23 yung model name. 2.02 inch TFT. 320 by 390 pixel resolution. So, mas mataas yung pixel resolution. Bluetooth 5.3. 300 mAh battery. At IP68 waterproof rated. Okay. So, okay yung design ng ITEL Storm Ultra. So, tingnan natin. Yung dito sa side para siyang Watch Ultra clone. Parang Apple Watch Ultra clone. May crown button. At merong side button. Na dedicated for sports function. Okay, so ito yung pinaka-design. Brush finish. Semi-gloss finish. Plastic back cover dito. Pogo pin pa rin. Magnetic, at meron tayo ditong quick release pin para sa strap. So, pwede nyong palitan kung meron kayong third party strap. So, madali lang tanggalin because of the quick release pin feature. So, subukan natin. Okay. Ayun. So, easy to attach, easy to remove. Okay. So, ito meron tayong notification. Okay, so sa UI, ito. So, swipe down, makita nyo yung mga settings at ibang option para sa smartwatch nyo tulad ng flashlight. Meron brightness option. Okay, battery. Ito yung sa card, e-card, at settings. Okay. So, sa baba, notifications. Sa kabila, meron tayong split screen. Sa right side, iba't ibang cards or modules, widgets. Okay? So, pwede kayong magdagdag, pwede nyo ring bawasan. Pressing the crown button, lalabas yung pinaka main menu. Okay? So, meron tayong activity tracking, may sleep monitoring. So, sa activity tracking, meron itong step counter, calorie counter, exercise, at meron ding graph. Meron ding last 7-day trend or records. Then, meron ding sleep monitoring, So, merong sleep data. So, minomonitor yung awake time, light sleep, at restful sleep. May heart rate din. Merong Bluetooth call. Merong exercise. Ito yung sports functions. At meron ding exercise records. So, sa sports functions, ito yung mga available na sports. Merong walking, may running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, may swimming din at iba pang sports functions. Remember, yung sports functions na loaded sa ITEL O23 ay 100 plus sports functions. So, comprehensive sports functions meron ang ITEL O15. Sa health, merong heart rate, may blood oxygen monitoring, may stress monitoring, may weather report, may message notifications, remote control for camera, meron ding music player, relaxation, at meron ding AI voice. Other options, meron ding timer. Ito yung mga tools natin dito. May alarm, stopwatch, cycle tracking for women. Kasama na rin to sa health. May find phone. Meron ding calculator. May games. Ilang games ba meron? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. At least 5. At least 5 games yung meron sa ating Storm Ultra Smartwatch. At sa settings, meron tayong display. So, may brightness option. May sleep option dito. Ito sa screen yan, yung sa sleep. Okay? So, 20 seconds before mag-off yung screen. Watch face. Meron ding, balik ulit tayo sa settings. Display, watch face, menu view. So, ilang view tayo meron dito? Ilang view, menu options? Marami. Okay, may full moon, may helm. So, try nga natin yung isa. Grid view, parallel, surface, ito, crescent. Yun, ganda. Okay. Vibrate and ring, mode, and intensity. So, pwede nyo adjust yung sa vibration. So, wrist raise to display the screen. Meron din. Do not disturb mode, low power mode. Ito yung sa Bluetooth call. So, pwede nyo i-activate at deactivate. Kasama na rin dito yung music control function. May password option. Ito yung sa drain. Pag nabasa yung smartwatch nyo, pwede nyong gamitin to para ma-drain yung water sa loob ng smartwatch. So, sa system, may restart, power off, at reset. Meron ding about section at ito yung app download. Okay? Kung i-prepare nyo sa support app, ito yung QR code. Version O23 OP018. Okay? So, maraming options yung O23 compared sa O15. Lalo na sa section ng sports function. So, ito yung sports function. So, marami siyang options. Okay, may swimming, climbing, rugby, fitness, at iba pa. Okay, so pwede kayong magdagdag. Ito, may winter sports, outdoor activities, trainings, dance, combat sports, ball sports, winter sports, recreational sports, and other sports function. So, it's an all-in-one sports smartwatch. Ang ITEL Storm Ultra Smartwatch. So, kung may mga katanungan kayo about sa smartwatch nito, drop lang ng comment. And of course, support our channel, like, share, and of course, subscribe. Bye!